In part 5 of section 19, we're going to look at an application problem. Example 19.10 says carbon dating is a method used to determine the age of a fossil or other organic remains. The age T, and it also says here that it's in years, is related to the mass C in milligrams of carbon-14 through a logarithmic equation. And it's given by this equation here. We have two variables in this formula. We have T as well as C. And we know what T represents. It is the age of the fossil in years. And we also know what C represents. It's the mass represented in milligrams. The question is, how old is a fossil that contains 100 milligrams of carbon-14? So the how old means that the time is our question mark. That's what we're trying to figure out. 100 milligrams of carbon-14 means that C is equal to 100. So the formula needs to have 100 plugged in for C. It's going to say negative ln in the argument for the ln, 100 divided by 500, all divided by 0.0001216. And we could do a simplification maybe with the 100 over 500. So we'd have negative ln of 1/5 all divided by our decimal. But other than that, there's not a whole lot of algebraic simplification. Now it just becomes a matter of plug it into the calculator and get an estimate. So the estimate for this, I will ask you to pause and plug this into your calculator so that way you feel confident knowing that you can plug something like this in using parentheses correctly, order of operations, all that good stuff. Should get approximately 13,235.5 years. And the decimal goes on, but I'm just going to round to one decimal place there. So we can say the fossil is approximately 13,235.5 years old.